Hello everybody. So this is just a little help and guidance on method practice. Looking at the requirements, it has a print method. So the idea is that we're writing our own methods, and that's what we're going to look at right here. So here's the boilerplate, all that good stuff, and in the main method, just to test them out. So here's my print method, right? So the idea is that here I'm saying print and then some string, that's the formal parameter that's being passed in and going to the print method. Very similarly, I just defined my own println method and pass it through the str. And so hopefully you can see this. Now these are standalone methods as opposed to class methods that we looked at previously, or that we've used previously. It kind of saves you some time, right? And so then if I run it, it's functionally the same as my print and my println methods. That's the idea behind print method practice, is that you're going to write these methods. Again, this is to train you on how to write these, getting the language down, so to speak. Obviously do the add, subtract, multiply methods, and then this is kind of an overloading, thinking about overloading the method so that that will work. Yeah, anyway, hope that helps, and God bless.